Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and what a treat we have. We've got a brand new lock sent to me by subscriber Jason. Thank you, Jason. It's an Ace Hardware from America, maximum security lock. What kind of lock? Well, let me show you. This is the gorgeous 64mm hardened steel round-bodied padlock from Ace Hardware. Really, really lovely. Look at that. What a beauty. And this is their Series 8527. Just a nice lock. Let's open it up. Let's listen to that shackle pop. Ready? How nice is that? Nice strong shackle spring. Lots of brand new grease on this. You can see it's a new lock, can't you? We can disassemble this, which is really nice. The key, well, okay, it's not 6 pins. It would be nice to have 6 pins, wouldn't it? But can't have everything. But it does have some nice cuts, you know, highs at the front, highs at the rear, and some possibly a zero lift in the bottom there, which is good protection for the pins behind it. Unfortunately, the keyway is very typical sort of American style keyway, which is very open. You see I get this, it's just a normal like Sparrow's Lunatic, but you can get that in all the way to the top. Look at that, no problems at all. 25 thousandths as well. One good thing is if you look here, the key pins are serrated, which is a good sign. I don't know what anything else is like in there, I've not gutted it, but we'll soon find out. Now, I have the vise next to me, which is very rare, but it gives us the opportunity just to get on with the pick. So that's what I'll do. Pop that in the vise, tighten it up. Going to be using this 1.2mm pry bar in at the top. Yeah, that way around will be fine. Like that. And we will go in with the Sparrow's Lunatic, like this, and we'll start going. Let's have a look. So pin 5. Really nice click out of that. 4, nothing, nothing, nothing. 3, 2, 1. So maybe you need to go back to 5. Nice click again. And a little click on 4, a little click on 3, and on 2. Stopping there. Pin 1. Little click. Okay, back to the back again. Just bouncing the tension on this one. So nothing on 5. I don't think anyway. No. 4, no. 3, no. 2, no. 1, just going to bounce the tension again in case anything's hung up inside there. There we go, and I think it's pin 1 again, just giving me a bit of problem. There we go. We've got it open on pin 1. There we go. So that's it done. There we go. Got it open. Look at that. Right. Now, let's get on with the gutting. Let's not hang around with this one. Need a pinning tray over here, and we need to take this apart. So first things first, let's take that nice screw out of there if I can. Again, for once I was prepared and had the right head screwdriver to hand. That isn't going out, but I can drop the rest out. So there we go. Maybe just pop that up there. Just don't need it really at the moment, do we? And let's have a look. There is the open keyway. Looks kind of standard. Just going to close it up. And what else are we going to do? We're going to remove the circlip off the back using this gut wrench, and the trick is with these is you sort of got to push into the these circlets if they're a bit tight, which is a little bit of a trick, but you can do it if you just get in there and turn it around like that. See? Oh, and I think that bounced back on itself. Oh, there it is. Phew! Look, there we go. So sorry, my phone was just going off there. Just to put it to one side. I forgot to turn it off. Sorry about that. And we're going to go in with a shim because we can, like that on this side. There's the pins. Put the shim in there all the way to. Slide that in like this. Slide it off. You can see that a bit of a waste in a way. Look at that. There was room for a 6th pin. So always find that a bit of a waste when it could have been pinned to 6 and then wasn't. That's 5. Okay, I'll flip those around. They all seem to come out backwards no matter what I do. There we go. Nothing interesting about the plug at all, I don't think, so we can just put that there, out of the way with the key. And what else can we get out of this? We can have a look at these driver pins. I would like to see them as some spools and serrated pins, ideally, and if possible some serrated spools, but maybe that's a bit too much to ask. Got some serrated pins. Really interested to have a look at these. Do you know what? I think that is a serrated spool. I'm going to have to look at this in a bit more detail. Let's put those in there for now. Okay. All right, let's have a peek. So what do we have here? Do you know what? This is just the same as an American lock. Look at that. I did not expect that. These are actual, so we've got serrated key pins on all but the shortest. This is a serrated driver pin. That's pretty nice. And this is a literally serrated spools. I did not expect that whatsoever. That's really nice. Really like that. I don't see that outside of an American lock. That's really, really good. I like that a lot. You see here the serrated key pins. If I get the longest one and the shortest one, you'll see that only on the short one do you not have the serrations because it's just too short. But on the longer key pins you do. So yeah, what a good lock. I actually rate that quite highly. It's a shame it just wasn't pinned to 6. But because there's nothing wrong with this lovely body at all, and there's nothing wrong with the pins inside there, and the keyway, whilst a bit open, is offset by having decent security pins in there. It's just a shame that they are not 6 of them, but you know, maybe you can get a 6-pin version. I don't know is the answer, but I certainly had a lot of fun with this lock. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, please leave a like. If you have a comment about this lock and you know if you can buy a 6-pin version, please let me know in the comments. If I read all the comments, I reply to as many as I can, of course. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. It has lots of content about lockpicking. If that makes you happy, then please subscribe and for more of that type of content. And of course, I'll see you all next time.